Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Simvoly. So Simvoly is a website builder and online business platform that lets you create stunning websites, online stores, and sales funnels without needing any coding skills. It's like having a digital toolkit for building and managing your online presence. People use Simvoly because it offers an easy to use drag and drop editor so you can design your site just the way you want it. It also provides tools for optimizing your websites for sales and conversions, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Whether you are setting up a personal blog, an online store, or a marketing funnel, Simvoly helps you get everything up and running smoothly with minimal effort. So here in this video, we are going to learn how you can connect your Simvoly account with Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from Simvoly to any other application on a specific event. So here to build this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So here Webhook is going to act as a bridge between your Simvoly account and Pabbly Connect in order to receive information from Simvoly to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. Or also you can say that webhooks are like instant messengers for apps. So here let's suppose that I run a yoga studio and I have created my yoga studio website with Simvoly. So here in this case I want whenever someone purchased my course through my website, automatically I should receive a notification on my WhatsApp. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Simvoly with WhatsApp using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to build this entire connection, firstly I need to connect my Simvoly account with Pabbly Connect in order to receive the information over here. So now here in this video we are going to learn how you can set up the connection between Simvoly and Pabbly Connect. And before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Simvoly and my trigger event as new order. So here I'm going to select my event as new order, but you can select a trigger for new product, product updated, order updated, new form submission, new contact activity, and new booking session. So here I'm going to select my desired trigger event, and by selecting it, whenever we are going to receive a new order in our Simvoly account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to receive a response over here. And here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Simvoly account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Simvoly account and this is my website, and here I've selected the builder option, and under over here you can see we have received the option for website settings. So here I'm going to click on this, and here under website settings I'm going to select applications. And here under applications, we are going to click on this add application button given over here. And from here, we need to select our application, that is Webhook. So you can see we have received a connect Webhook application. So I'm going to click on this connect over here. And then this dialog box will appear in front of you. So here you can see it is asking me for a destination URL. That means here I need to enter my webhook URL on which I want to receive a response. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and now here it is asking me to select the event. So here I need to select the event on which I want to receive a response over this webhook URL. So here I'm going to select my event similar to the one I have selected in my trigger event, that is new order. So that on every new order I can receive a response over there. So now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And with this we have successfully set up our webhook. Now let's go back to our Pabbly's window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to place a test order through our store. So for that, let me take you back to my Simvoly account. And from here, I'm going to click on the store given over here. And from here, I'm going to select preview store. So this is my website store, scrolling little down. And here I'm going to select a random course such as yoga for advanced. Here I'm going to click on this add to cart. Check out now. And here you can see it has successfully added in my cart. So I'm going to click on this proceed to checkout. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user. Email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Scrolling little down. Again here I'm going to enter a random billing address such as 123 ABC. City as Bhopal. A random zip code. Country as India, state as Madhya Pradesh, and here this company name is optional, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and now I'm going to click on this continue given over here. And here for the payment method I've selected pay on delivery, and now I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see it says thank you for your order. We have sent a confirmation to your mail containing details of your purchase. That means we have successfully made a purchase over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the weight unit, subtotal, token, status, scrolling little down, the pin code, state. Also we have received the city, address, payment method, scrolling little down, the item which was purchased, scrolling little down, and here you can see the customer's name, email, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up this connection. So now once we have set up this connection, then whenever we are going to receive a new order in our Simvoly account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response over here. And further, you can forward this response to any other application as per your need so that you can receive a notification or you can store the data at one place. So for that, you need to connect that application in this action steps given over here. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Simvoly. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.